Hello from Car Key Solutions. We're going through unprecedented times. The world has changed from what we used to call a normal pace. It partially stopped in order to contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus.
While we minimize the time spent out on the road, some of us still need to travel. We, Car Key Solutions, are playing our parts in assisting motorists in emergency situations throughout this period. Rest assured that if you locked out of your car, lost your car key, need a spare key or repair your defective car key, we are available to help and we come to your location.
Furthermore, for car key repairs, we have recently introduced a postal service, meaning we can collect or you can send in post your faulty key. We then repair it and send it back straight to your door. For details, visit shop.carkeysolutions.co.uk.
We, auto locksmith engineers, are trained to perform services in safest way possible, maintaining the social distance and using protective equipment.
We look forward for this period becoming just a memory, but in the meantime, stay safe, and should you need assistance, Car Key Solutions is here, just one call away.